I have something to tell you. Japan's underground tournaments. You know of the martial arts circuit there, right, Shunsei? He's the champion born from that crucible.
Both sired by powerful fathers, they feel a connection to each other. Begin! Shunsei rushes in. Baki blocks Shunsei's destructive fist, and then precisely strikes the tip of Shunsei's jaw. Using the falling body's momentum, Baki lands a devastating kick, driving Shunsei fully into unconsciousness. And with that, Baki brings the fight to an end. Total time elapsed, 2 seconds. Baki Hanma is at the peak of his strength.